Jeffrey Epstein was born in 1953 in Brooklyn, New York. He came from a modest background and showed early intelligence, especially in mathematics. At first, his life seemed ordinary, but behind this quiet beginning, a much darker story was slowly forming. Epstein entered the world of finance in the 1970s. Through connections and influence, he gained access to extreme wealth. He moved among powerful people, attending exclusive parties and private meetings. His reputation grew, but so did secrecy.
Behind closed doors, young girls were lured with promises of money and opportunity. What followed was exploitation and abuse. These crimes remained hidden for years, protected by silence and power. Epstein owned a private island in the Caribbean. It became a symbol of secrecy and fear. Many believe powerful individuals visited this island, far away from law and accountability. In 2005, the first investigations began, but justice was delayed. Despite serious accusations, Epstein avoided harsh punishment. This raised global outrage. In 2019, Epstein was finally arrested on federal charges of sex trafficking minors. The world watched closely. Many hoped the truth would finally come out. Before trial could begin, Epstein was found dead in his jail cell. Officials ruled it a suicide, but doubts and questions spread worldwide. After his death, survivors began to speak openly. Their courage exposed the truth and inspired changes in laws and awareness. The Epstein case shocked the world. It revealed how power can silence victims. It also reminded society of the importance of protecting the vulnerable. This story is not just about one man. It is about accountability, justice, and responsibility. Power must never stand above humanity.